Fremont Street, Las Vegas. All I'd recommend to anyone, a bit of advice that I never ever follow myself, and I should, is the first night you get to Vegas, stay awake as long as you can. You know, 1 in the morning, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the morning, just stay awake as long as you can. And that's some advice that I always say, and I never ever do, especially when I'm with Rochelle, whose first night, let's just go to bed, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, let's just go to bed. And then it sets you back for the rest of them. Barbecue, sandwiches over there. This is the Golden Gate Casino Hotel. Straight in front of us is Plaza Hotel. So we won't be back down this side anymore. We're gonna go up the top, we're gonna grab a bite to eat. I am getting a little bit tired now, even though we've had a sleep. But it is our last night and it's coming up, or it's just gone 10 p.m. in Vegas. We don't really stay up late in Vegas, which is nuts. And I'm still getting up 4 a.m, 5 a.m, 6 a.m. So this is Heart Attack Grill. And if you weigh 350 pounds, which is 25 stone, then you eat for free. And that's where I borrowed the idea for the George Pub and Grill. And we fed people, if they weighed over 25 stone, you ate for free at the George Pub and Grill. It wasn't about shaming people who were overweight or a certain weight. Sometimes people would come in and they didn't even look overweight and they were over 25 stone. It was about rewarding them for being a big eater. And then all that, after the George Pub and Grill, all that led to the British Eating League. Follow the British Eating League on social media, because 2026 is going to be massive. Right, so we've done the Slotzilla zipline. So we've done that on Fremont Street. Slotzilla, Fremont Street, Vegas. Oh my God, please. Shit. Oh my God, shit. Shit, why didn't I stop it halfway? Why didn't I stop it up? Oh my God, shit. Unbelievable! Vegas, baby! Woo! Whoa! What is that? Woo! Oh my God, that is something else. Oh shit. Get me on there, get me to safety. Oh my God, get me off, Slotzilla, have a go. We've came over to Denny's American Diner. I love the food here, I've had it many times, and I think this might be ours. Perfect, thank you very much, pal. Look at that, so that's the bourbon burger, the new bourbon burger. I think it's a double patty, onions, peppers, mushrooms, bacon, a bourbon glaze, you can see it there. That is something else. Denny's is always a fresh patty. You can tell the way that it's smashed on the grill. You know, it's never a perfect circle like McDonald's or anywhere like that. The price with the fries is about $22, $23, but I'll show you the receipt at the end. Denny's is up there with the best of them. It's messy, it's juicy, it's falling apart. The bourbon glaze is something else. That is a serious burger. And we're back in the Bellagio Hotel. You've got check-in just over here, the casino just over here, and at the back it looks like they're building like a Christmas theme or presentation, so people can walk through and enjoy your Christmas celebration. Whoa, size of them baubles. Very big baubles. Get us off, load of shit. And in Bellagio, we haven't even had a drink yet. They want a cardigan from Dior. Do you think they do turkey prices? Let's ask. So we are down, winnings have gone, and we're going to get ourselves out of Bellagio because the drinks are too strong, too much gin. Whoa, where's Rochelle gone? Oh, sorry, mate. So on that one, I went to put on $20 on the final third because it hasn't been the final third in 11 spins. So I put $20 on, which would have given me 60 back if it comes in. Let's just see if it comes in. They wouldn't let me, they said the table's full. So the final third is 25 to 36. Let's see if she's lost me an extra $40 profit or if she's saved me $20. And she saved me $20. What was that number? Number 19 saved me. Rochelle just went, do you want to carry this camera? I said, why? She went, just in case I lose it. She's steaming. This is why we love Vegas.
Cheers, cheers more.
More? Mona Lisa, cheers more.
Big more. I'll miss you.
Kim, we'll show you. Well, we won $3 there. It was only our second spin, but we came into Excalibur now. This is where me and my dad used to come. So me and Michelle are having a beer. I've just been sat at the main table. He used to be sat at 2 tables over there. I've just sat down over there, emotional. We've emptied some of his ashes there in Bellagio fountain, so my dad will always be part of that fountain. And now we're going to go over to the Vegas sign, the Welcome to Vegas sign. So we'll have a couple of games in here, and then we'll make our way at the side. Cheers, everyone. $100. So for $20, we got 150. I hope it's $20. $20. We got $156, and we've had 2 drinks as well. Cheers, Dad. All over that. Tacos and margaritas over there. Oh, don't forget, you have a free margarita somewhere. Yeah, so Rochelle on it, she done a spin in the wheel and she won 2 margaritas free. Give her the ticket, and I was like, oh, yeah, I'm a bit peckish, you know, let's go and get the pizzas now. And it was 2 margarita, the cocktails. Both called margarita, aren't they? Yeah. Same name, just I was thinking food, she was all about the drink. So we've just signed up, shows that, Michelle? We've just signed up to Caesars Rewards, which means every time we play the machines or the table, you give him your card, it adds your points up, and once you spend enough, once you become a big spender and you're gambling enough, they start giving you lots of freebies. So for instance, my dad used to get a free hotel stay. They would offer us like 300-400 quid on free food, theatre tickets, show tickets, things like that. We're not going to get to that point, but at least we signed up. We get a free go of the wheel outside, which like the London Eye, but it's on the link. I think it's called High Roller here. And Rochelle gets $10 to go on the slots. So you get to choose what you want. She's got $10. I took the ride on the wheel. So that's something else to look forward to later.
Oh, do you only get 1 ticket for the ride?
No, both of us 2.
Oh.
What, just me on it?
I thought you just go and buy yourself.
Let's go and spend your $10. Come on, Dad, give us a bit of luck. Probably not as much as we think. 25 quid.
That'll do, thanks, Dad. There, what's that salt?
It's salt, yeah. Where's the lime? Give us your lemon. Oh, it's proper rock salt.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And that's it, we are done. Thank you so much. Subscribe to Dad Loves Food on YouTube, and we're in Vegas, baby.
Oh, now you're gonna go for the flush. Yeah, yeah. I would go with, yeah. Come on, heart. Have a heart. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. There's the
Look
flush.
how close to the straight flush. That would have paid you 50.
Very close. Very close.
I got 3 jacks, so I got to pull a 4th jack. Give me a 4th jack. It's a fun game because
Yeah, it's got this, and you go at your own pace, so you can do whatever you want.
Yeah. If you get one of the bigger hands, like the 4 of a kind, then you ramp up your money fast. It's got strategy to it.
So the same with that, you would just hit again.
You keep the queen.
Oh, you keep the queen.
Because jacks are better, it gives you your money back.
Right.
A pair of jacks.
Right, got you.
Yeah, it's a good game when you get something good. If you get 3 of a kind on the bottom there, you're going king and the queen. Because it's, again, trying to get that pair. So get money back. It's not be in kind.
Doing the sandwich shell or?
This one's tough. I'd probably go
2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go for a
6 or an ace.
Oh.
Another 5, of course.
Right, so I get this now. Thank you very much, mate. Appreciate that.
No problem.
So do you normally win at this then, or?
Yeah. I just this morning I won $1,000 at the El Cortez.
And do you normally sit at the bar like this and play them, or?
It's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
For me, I can watch sports, I can have a drink, and I can do a bit of gambling.
Perfect, mate.
Everything in one place. It's just
It's a perfect life, isn't it?
it is the perfect life.
Yeah, really good, really good. What a guy, what a follower. He's just put in $20, my machine, Rochelle's machine. Oh, and listen, just play, we'll get free drinks. Never played that, not online poker, just digital poker at the bar before. Love it.